Hello everyone. Today we'll take a look at the 5 best immersion hand blenders that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Mueller Austria 1001 Immersion Multipurpose Hand Blender. With 9 different speed levels, you cannot go wrong with this one. The ergonomic design means that you can use it consistently without any problem. The design of the grip is such that it is non-slip and comfortable at the same time. The heavy-duty copper motor is suitable for regular use. It is highly versatile and comes along with the whisk attachment, which means that you can use it for a wide variety of recipes without any problem. There is also a manual which comes along with it. If you have not used the Immersion hand blender before, you can refer to the manual. The stainless steel finish amalgamates into your kitchen without any issue. These features make it much more superior as compared to some of the other options. At number 4. Bella 14460 Immersion Blender. With the weight of just 2.65 pounds, you can be sure that this hand blender is easy to use. It is a motor of 250 W. It offers you 2 different speeds. The whisk attachment in the blade is dishwasher safe. You will not have to opt for an elaborate method to clean it. The ergonomic design means that you can use it for a long time without any issue. In spite of the simple interface, it is highly versatile for preparing a wide variety of recipes. Thus, it is highly efficient and comes with a range of accessories. At number 3. Auxcuiso Stick Immersion Hand Blender. If you're looking for ergonomic design while comparing the different immersion hand blenders, you can consider this option. With the colorful LED lights, you can quickly know the settings which you have selected. In total, it offers 8 different speed levels. There is the whisk attachment which comes along with it. You can use it for many functions without any issues. With 500 W motor, you can be sure that using it day in and day out will not be a problem at all. It has auto shutdown feature which ensures that if you're not using it for a particular time, it will shut down on its own. Moreover, with the help of detachable whisk and blades, you can quickly clean it. The ergonomic design, as well as the different speed levels, makes it a good choice. At number 2. MegaWise 5-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender, Powerful 800-watt 12-speed corded blender. The new generation MegaWise Immersion Blender comes with an 800 W motor, which is much powerful than most of the traditional hand blender and offers 3x better blending performance. It makes the food preparation process faster and easier and gives you a unique culinary experience. Easy to chopping nuts and mashing potatoes, perfect for cutting hard ingredients up efficiently. Extremely increase the hardness and service life of the blades and no need to worry about blade falling or broken, which is perfect for baby food making and can quickly blend ingredients for smoothies, milkshakes, soups. Find the right speed for every blending task. Plus, you can slowly increase speed for optimal blending consistency and to prevent messes. For getting through tough blending tasks, the turbo button increases the blender to its maximum speed. Finally, at number 1. Hand Immersion Blender 500-watt 8-speed control. Hand Immersion Blender has equipped with a 500 W powerful motor 15000 RPM speed which can blend ingredients together quickly and seamlessly. Designed to blend, chop, whip, whisk, puree and emulsify. Use the turbo boost button to control the 8 adjustable speed with ease. Chopping nuts and mashing potatoes with max power or simply using the standard button to blend juice, shakes and chocolates. With 4-blade design, it is much faster and more efficient to blender food, and detachable blending stick makes it easy to wash. The ergonomic grip offers a non-slip and comfortable grip when continuously blending ingredients. Simply pressing button of the hand blender, easily blend juice, smoothies, shakes, puree soups, baby food, mix batters, whip creams, whisk meringues, beat egg and more. The stainless steel hand immersion blender stick has a 14 inches of void to accidentally immerse the unit. The power cord is 40 inches which allows you to access far away outlets. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.